imagine.
No, it's funny because I was driving around and saw it. I got gas.
This is so race car.
I lived here my whole life.
Well, you get the double technology. That's what I was just telling you.
You get the weight reduction and
Money in that, so I'm thinking about just holding on this for a while, stash of cash, and see what I want to do. I really want to make this C10 fun. Yeah,
Trying to recover. That's just really a pain.
Okay, we'll give you something for it.
No, this is like the color.
Yeah, it's 2-ton 55.
Actually, it would be for silver black.
Got a big block Chevrolet in it. Demon carburetor.
How much would this one be worth?
Probably about 100,
100,000. 100,000?
Yep.
That
Do
much?
not touch. See the sign?
That's the sign. It's the window. Killing me.
8-leg car. Four speed. 2.4. Air conditioned car.
Rat?
Nope, that's a mouse.
They produce the 60.
That's a rat.
That's a mouse. That's a small block. I'll show you how to tell you. See how small the valve covers are? These right here. I'll show you what a big block looks like shortly. Okay? This is a rally car. This is a rally car. Buick GS.
Wait, is that a riot?
Nope.
Oh.
Got a little dude working on the car.
Actually, it's the baby. So look at that car. That's like a tiny version.
Yep. It's a model of
It's the tiny
the Sweet.
version of
442. 4-speed car. Chevrolet SS Impala.
Wait.
That's Mr. Rytek right there at Jasper, Indiana. That's 69 contact.
Big block, twin carburetors, blower.
I'm a one-foot cat, I'm gonna have tonight. I'm a one-foot cat, I'm gonna have tonight. If you want some loving, you sure gonna treat me right. I'm a one-foot cat, I got on my daisy shoes. Now come on, baby, gonna dance away these blues. I'm a woman cat, I'm a woman cat, I'm a woman.
Look at those.
Mm-hmm. swim boat. Cadillac motor. Air ride.